everyone, I am Khatri, and in this video I'll be covering about how you can connect to your instance with the help of Windows Azure server. We'll be using a software named as PuTTY. For downloading PuTTY, you can directly visit the site putty.org and download PuTTY from the link given here. You can see you can download PuTTY here, or you can use the link which I am providing you in the description. You can directly click on that link and you will be transferred to this page and you can download PuTTY here. Once the PuTTY software is downloaded and installed, it will have certain other softwares as well. The one which we will be using is PuTTY. The main reason to use this is PuTTY cannot connect to your instance directly with the help of .pem file, so we need to convert the .pem file to .ppk file format, which will be used in PuTTY to connect to the instance. For that, we'll be opening the PuTTY software. From the start menu, we have to choose all program, PuTTY and PuTTY. Under the type of key to generate, we have to select RSA, and if you are using an older version of PuTTY, then you have to choose SSH-to RSA. Once you have selected that, you have to click on load. By default, PuTTY will display only files with the extension of .ppk. To locate your .pem file, choose the option to display files of all types. Once you have chosen that option, you can then find and select your .pem file for the key pair that you specified when you launch your instance and choose open. PuTTY will display a notice that the .pem file was successfully imported. Choose OK. To save the key in the format that PuTTY uses, choose save private key. PuTTY displays a warning about saving the key without a passphrase. You can simply click on yes and ignore that warning. After that, you can specify the name for the key that you used for the key value pair and click on save. PuTTY will automatically save that file with the .ppk file extension. Your private key is now in the correct format that you can use from PuTTY to connect to your instance. Once you have obtained the .ppk file, open PuTTY. In the hostname text, you can type your instance username @ the IP address which your instance has, where IP address is the public IP address of your Amazon EC2 instance, which you can find on your instance page. You can see here that this is your public IP address. In the category pane, expand the connection and then SSH, and in the SSH select auth. From the browse, navigate to .ppk file that you have just saved and created and click on open. A terminal will be opening showing you that the connection has been made. And this is this simple for the Windows user who want to connect to their instance with the help of PuTTY software. Alternative for this is that you can download the Linux terminal in Windows and you can then SSH into your server. Watching my previous video in which I have told you that how you can SSH into your server with the help of Ubuntu as your OS. So this is how you can SSH with the help of Windows OS. So that is it for this video.